Hey everybody, Kai here from Shits and Giggles. I'm going to be doing a 7 series air fryer recipe segment for you. It's going to be very inexpensive, very quick, and very delicious. As you can see, I have my chicken already sliced up. These were 3 chicken breasts that I'm using, sliced up very thinly, almost like chicken finger style. I'm going to start with some seasoning. I'm going to put the seasoning in here. I'm going to start first with a little bit of brown sugar, about 1 tablespoon. Garlic powder, 2 teaspoons. We've got some paprika. Smoked paprika is really good for this recipe, guys. Again, we're gonna do about a tablespoon of that. We've got Cajun. Gonna add a little bit of heat to this. You don't really need to use the Cajun if you don't like the heat. I love the heat, so I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of Cajun in here as well. Onion powder, 2 teaspoons full. And basically it's all the ingredients that you're gonna need. Right now what I'm gonna be doing, I'm just gonna put the chicken into here. I'm gonna mix it up. The chicken has to be dried off a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to this as well when I'm done with the spicing it. Oh, that smells delicious. All those nice spices are just gonna be delicious on this chicken. And there you have it. That's basically what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna put a little oil on here. Just about a half a teaspoon. Half a tablespoon, sorry. And there you have it. This is gonna go right into the deep fryer, or sorry, the air fryer, guys. Okay? I'm just gonna go wash my hands. I'll be right back with the air fryer. All right, gang, I'm just gonna open up the air fryer. We preheated it, 400 degrees. And I'm just gonna lie the chicken right flat into the air fryer. Wow, this smells so good. These spices are perfect for this. And I'm gonna shut her down. We'll go for 10 minutes. Gonna go wash my hands. We'll see you back in a minute. So guys, it's a finished product right here. I just used some fresh broccoli, a little bit of rice. With the dinner, you can use pasta, you can use whatever you want. I'm just gonna dig into one of these beautiful chicken strips and the flavor is incredible, delicious. See you next time.